In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot tasks. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just looking to refine your task management skills, this guide will walk you through the process seamlessly, ensuring that you can navigate HubSpot's tools with confidence and ease. First things first, let's head over to the HubSpot homepage. You can do this by opening a web browser and typing in hubspot.com, or simply clicking on a bookmark if you already have it saved. Once there, you'll see the homepage filled with lots of valuable tools and resources that HubSpot has to offer for growing your business. Now, you're going to want to click on the login button. You can usually find this at the top right corner of the page. If you're not already logged in, entering your credentials here will take you directly to your HubSpot account home. If you're already logged in, you can sit back and relax for just a moment. Once logged in, you should find yourself on the HubSpot home. This is your control center, packed with options and features tailored for managing your business operations. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. Now let's hone in on what we're here for today. You're going to click on the CRM, which stands for Customer Relationship Management. It's an essential tool for organizing and managing customer interactions and data. Clicking CRM will open up more options where you will find tasks. Here we are at the tasks section. Tasks in HubSpot are your personal to-dos, which can be associated with contacts, deals, or companies. These are incredibly useful for ensuring that you stay on top of your daily activities and don't let anything slip through the cracks. Next, let's create a new task. You'll see an option, typically a button labeled Create Task. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a form where you can input all the relevant details for your task. Now it's time to bring that task to life, so to speak. After you've entered all the necessary information and you're satisfied with how it looks, click on the Create button to finalize the task setup. This newly created task will now appear in your list, ready to be tackled. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully navigated how to use HubSpot tasks. Remember to check back with your task list regularly to stay organized and make full use of this powerful feature. With practice, using tasks will become second nature and increase your productivity substantially. Thanks for following along, and I hope you find these tips helpful in your daily HubSpot experience.